Morning, guys. So this is my first morning here in Hanoi, and I didn't get to see much of the city yesterday. But what I did see, I liked it. Um, I thought I'd have done a lot more sleeping, considering all the walking around, well, all the traveling, and then all the walking around I've done and carrying bags. But it seemed to be all right. So on and upwards. Obviously, I was traveling alone, and when I got to the bus, you start to make little mini friends, like mates for the journey. So I had some mates, and I was fortunate that it was three girls. Usually, it's whatever, but like, and there wasn't ugly girls; there were decent girls. So I had a really good company to travel with. And we travelled from Laos to here, to Hanoi, and it could have been less than a whole day if the bus company wanted to, but we just took our time, and we were here just under 24 hours, and I'm surprised at that. As I said, we took our time, and we still got here before the 24 hours, so that was really good. And it just don't make you be going, where are we? How come we're not there yet? Because you didn't expect to be there for a whole day. So if you get there earlier, it's a bonus. So it was a good day overall. Let's have a quick look here. I went for a walk to check out the place last night, and I seen the girls that I travelled down here with, so that was nice as well. And we just share them all. I wasn't trying to come on to them or anything. They were literally friends, you know what I mean? So that was nice that I made some friends like that. I was happy about that. And this shop's pretty decent, man. Maybe I don't even have to go anywhere right now. I can just buy everything here. You know what? I might just do that for now because I'm tired. I've had a long day and a lot of traveling and that. So even though I'm awake, I'm not in the mood to do everything I normally do. So. But yeah, it was a good day, really good day. And it's set me off in the right way how I'm going to start, doing whatever I'm doing from here now. So I'm happy about this. So yeah.